Long time no see. I've been pretty busy taking a lot of photos recently. I wanted to show you guys this camera that I purchased not too long ago, and it's the camera I've been using to take a majority of my pictures with. This is the Hasselblad 500 cm, a medium format camera that honestly is amazing. It's a 6x6 square format, and it shoots 120 millimeter film. And this past week, I had the pleasure of going to the creative workshop, which a buddy of mine, Corey, helped to set up with the owner, Jason. It was a great time. I got to see everything in the actual shop itself, all the vintage cars, the old Chevys, the bodies of the Aston Martin, an old Lincoln being restored. Beautiful shop with even more beautiful cars. And what I was shooting some Ectar 100. I don't know if you can see that. Also some Fuji film, some color. And I've noticed that actually the Kodak, the pictures that, and I'll show you guys the pictures that came out when I was shooting on this film. In my opinion, I kind of liked a little bit more. It was a little bit less grainy, a little bit faster speed there. Huge shout out to the creative workshop and the owner, Jason Wenig. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, Jason. But I appreciate you letting me come in and take some photos in your shop. And hopefully you like this video, and people can kind of see it, and maybe they'll come check you out. Again, the creative workshop is in Dania Beach, Florida. It's located at 118 Hill Street, Dania Beach. If you want to check it out, give them a call.